Hello guys! It's raining here. We're heading to eat dinner, but because it was raining, we're not going far. Today we just eat local food or local restaurant. The weather is not good, so that's not good to walk around. And it's getting closer cold weather now. It's not autumn anymore because I feel the freeze wind blow up. The strong winds blew up suddenly starting today. We be preparing for winter season coming. Winter weather coincide with the FLUE season. Then FLUE season can affect people in different ways. So if you are healthy, you will usually shake it off within a week. So we need to be careful guys all the time. And now I can see we're close to the place. I'll be back again later guys. Don't go away, please keep watching. We're looking for a restaurant to eat. Here they have local restaurant or local food. It's not good to look more because of the weather. We're just trying to walk and look until we can find out. I am just showing you what's around. And then finally, here we go. Introducing Untitled Chapter, or it's called Charcoal Fire Pork Restaurant. Menu for tonight, charcoal fire pork with spicy noodles or beam nimyeon, white noodles or chanchi buksu, vegetable vegetable noodles and also noodles. And we are waiting for fresh vegetable or raw meat. We are waiting for grilled pork noodles. Of course, with Korean side dish, kimchi. So guys, that is what local restaurant looks for. So my mission guys is praying you that this dish be safe. I discover along the way, and my goal is share you easily find every single recipe I try while having fun exploring a world full of different cuisines, delicious ingredients, and fun flavor I try. I truly hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Thank you so much for your kindness and support. You're all the best friend I called wish for. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell button so that you will notify and updated anytime if I have a new video. And please follow me in my other accounts. At MaryJung6 and Twitter, MaryJung41 and Instagram, and MaryJung in Facebook. Thank you so much once again. I love you all and God bless.